can super we queer and I can super we ne weteli unu na bozi because now I know go sky ne wete ozi quarter. Kaide beating around the bush. That is why you I saw them how we make gidi hana emenya. And like I said, this may be my last video concerning this issue. Onye obona actually malenke bezu, share your video in na this channel. Onye obona actually my hemen share this video in na this channel because you need a post again from a reliable source. This video na phone akwa one of the survivor again. Obolo survivor again number 2. The same account onyankanye katisi virus onye. The same thing okuko because now the boat driver you go to bus na TC si na okwoto. While na mmadụ na-abịa na sina gịnị me na onye agwakwa ha agwa na the guy bus the asim bus driver na unu ewe na ịma na anyị nwa ya go used to iba bus na the guy na-anya boatu ụgbọ mmiri n'okpu earphone na ntị unu nụrụ na the other video n'okpu earphone na ntị mgbe a na-eme video ịmago na-egosi nye nwa na-atara ka isi iru ya pụtakwa in form of ka ịmago na offer the celebrity post the video o nwezi ike wele ya wee na-emekwa ịmakwa ndị anyị na street. But I got that kind of na celebrity post to video you know ya. Mwezi ke download ile, mwezi ki wele na achọ mwasi yokonoko. Ki we gosikwa na isokwa ni ha na eme. That was exactly what happened. Before TC was able to raise alarm. Hello na the boat so. Because uno ya against from this guy again onya abogene and a survivor bokwa eyewitness. Ihe ndị nọ n'ime mmiri ndị nọ na the boat mgbe the chain me again melon. Because I should have missed on your eyewitness on because na okwu ekwuli kalela akali. The only thing na say the why we are there not wearing life jacket and 2 nda je na eme video mgbe buputelu mmadụ because I won't call it to zona he buputelu mmanya he bupute no dem ndo nda why we are there making video nyonya breathing space ki kukutegodi ya unucho okwu around na eme video onwere onye happy nwu ya aka no be pia ya ofuma no be. What we are busy making content out of tragedy. Ala technology and video bawa your phone. Akwe for ala technology video bawa your phone. Madi ya no n'ime mmiri na efe aka no na nwa. Madi anọ somewhere welu phone maka ni na iPhone 15 a Samsung na zoom onye na Jupiter, zoom onye na Abuja. You zoom we na eme video without going for help first. Or you say hey, my phone go spoil mobile na mini phone maybe you need protect your phone kaliando di godado. And then this video because I don't make we head them no be before we wear them na where we head na kwesiri ku nene go no video from another survivor go no phone.
I just want to thank God today that I'm alive. I'm a survivor from the situation that happened yesterday. It was 1:30 to 2 in the afternoon. We're all on the boat. Junior Pope, TC Virus, myself, Tango Dikoma Idoma, Scooby-Doo, and the director movement, the production manager Ogolo, and a lot of them. On our way going to another destination on top of the river, we're all having some good conversation. Suddenly, raising our head up, we saw a normal canoe boat. I don't know if he's looking for fish or whatever. And we are very close, so close. Our pilot was trying to dodge, and the canoe guy was trying to paddle fast to dodge. But he could not make it, and we are that very close. And that was how the canoe guy have to jump inside the river, and our own flying boat have to clamp on top of his canoe, and that caused the tumbling of the flying boat inside the river. On we all the passengers, we are 12 in number: artists, crew member, director, production manager, and camera assistant, sound engineer, production assistant. That was how we all turned inside the river, and about 7 of us try our best, drag In fact, it was just life and death. We drag. Some of us survived it, 7, and 5 of them were missed inside the water, which is Junior Pope, Precious, makeup artist, 2 sound man. We could not see them for more than 2 hours plus. It was later the divers and the help of other people. They have to go and throw nets inside the water. The divers have to go down deep inside the water and tie Junior Pope's leg, begin to drag him with nets out.
Thank you very much. This is one of the actors inside the boat, so I am very happy hearing from him. This is what's happened. We want to hear exactly from one of the persons inside the boat. One of the survivors inside the boat. Ndị Chineke nyere aka fa pụta na dị mmiri na ofu onye n'ime fa ihe okwu kịta bụ ihe ịma na okwu ifeme etu a na-akọ nnukwuta akụkọ akarịa. So now this person now one of the actors wey follow enter the fall inside the water wey they call rescue. So na him be this person. Scooby-Doo, that's his name. Thank you very much, everybody. We also have Uncle IB here, one of the men like Igbo Land. N'afọ maka ọdịmma ndị Igbo. Ọ pụtakwara ebe a taa ka ọ mara ihe na-eme. He's out here today to know what is going on. So Uncle IB, because
I'm dumbfounded because I'm on the radio to Melo because this story is touching and it's not straight because it feels as if now something went wrong and we are not even sure of what really went wrong because they were coming back just like he said, and all of a sudden another boat was coming, and before they could dodge the boat, now the boat now fly over them and they find themselves in the river. It was so touching, and even till now I'm still suspecting. Now that guy's death, Junior Pope's death, is not ordinary. It's not. I don't think it is ordinary. Because if they did what they should have done when he was out of the water, I think he would have survived.
Yes.
But it was very late that when they took him to the hospital, just like you said, had it been they started taking care of him, looking for means to, at least to bring back his life, I think by now we wouldn't have been talking. At least we'll be talking about others that are still missing. But all the same, let's give glory to God that at least some people survived. Because if you go online now, you'll be hearing people talking about, okay, we are talking about Pope. What about others that are still missing? Is it because Pope is popular? Not that he is popular, it's because he is well known. Yes. That is the reason why people are talking about him. And we also, we are not even happy with the whole situation, how it went. But all the same, as you can see, if you look around here, you see many people. There are many people here. We are all waiting to see if we are going to, meet the other people that are still in the water. That is the reason why everybody is here. And I thank God that at least some survived. Just like a virus, that guy virus.
TC virus.
TC virus. They said TC virus is still missing.
He survived.
As you can see now, he survived. So I thank God for that.
He's alive.
Thank God for that. Thank God for that. Yes. That is all I have to say.
Thank you.